It's really amazing to know that God speaks all the time. And when God speaks, importante din na alam natin na, oo nga, kung ano yung sasabihin ni Lord, dapat sumunod ako. And sometimes, alam mo yun, kapag may sinabi sa atin si Lord, it's most of the time when, alam mo yun, hindi siya against sa atin, pero it's against our will. Alam mo yun, yung meron siyang gustong ipagawa, and paano bang malalaman na si Lord na nagsasalita? It actually points you to a direction where you will actually trust Him. So, karaniwan, when God speaks to us, yun yung time na yung gusto mo, hindi yun yung ipapagawa ni Lord. He always moves in a different direction. Kasi tayo, pag meron tayong gagawin, gusto natin yung kontrolado mo ba? Yung kontrolado ko kung ano yung gagawin ko, kaya ko yung gagawin ko. But when God speaks and tells us what to do, you know what? He moves in a direction where you will be challenged to trust Him. You will be challenged to believe that He will never leave you. He will never forsake you. He will challenge you to the point that you really have to trust Him. Kaya, ano yun, God speaks all the time. In every circumstances that you have, dadating yung thought, or sometimes you will actually hear like a voice. Depende kasi yun sa'yo kung paano mo siya nadidinig. Pero, again, what's important is that kapag nadinig mo si Lord, willing kang mag-obey. Kahit hindi mo naiintindihan kung fully kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. It's important that we learn to obey and we learn to trust Him. Amazing, no? I hope that na-bless ka dun sa message niya. And I hope that, alam mo yun, just as when natutuwa tayo that God speaks, dapat natutuwa din tayo dun sa, yes, kailangan ko mag-obey kay Lord. Have a wonderful day. God bless.